Welcome to my channel, Best Out of Best. Today's video will be discussing about Premom Pregnancy Strips Test, which is manufactured by Easy Healthcare, a company dedicated to providing user-friendly healthcare products. Moving on to the feature, why choose Premom Pregnancy Strips Test. Reliable and accurate. When used with the Premom app, you can obtain valuable insights and information to help you better understand your fertility and increase your chances of getting pregnant. High sensitive. Test strip can detect levels of HCG as low as 25 milli-international units per milliliter. Easy to use. To use the Premom Pregnancy Test strip, collect a urine sample and dip the test strip into it for 5 to 10 seconds. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes for result. The Premom app. Utilizing the app's features, users can track and analyze various aspects of their cycle, including ovulation patterns, fertility trends, and potential pregnancy symptoms. After discussing features of the About Premom Pregnancy Strips test, now we are discussing pros. The test is affordable compared to other options on the market. With the Premom Pregnancy Test, you can test for pregnancy quickly and easily, saving you time and hassle. At your fingertips, women can make more informed decisions about their fertility and take proactive steps to increase their chances of conception. Used anywhere, they are portable, easy to use, and do not require any special equipment or laboratory analysis. Give a quick and easy to read result. Cons. The first cons is, to get accurate results, you must use the test at the right time in your menstrual cycle. The second one is, collecting urine samples and dipping the test strip can be messy, especially if you're not used to it. And the third, which is the last one, to ensure accurate results, you must follow the instructions carefully and wait for the recommended time before reading the results. For more information, please visit our website at www.bestoutofbest.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.